Hello, and welcome to CompleteBalance.com. My name is Dr. Jason Baedo, and this is my brother Jeff, who is a life and health coach at our Wellness Center in Orange County, California. Over the last several years, we have helped thousands of people reach their health goals.
And no matter whether people wanted to lose a little weight, start an exercise or nutritional program, reduce stress, and learn to relax or get a good night's sleep, there is one thing, literally one question that everybody asked, and that was, is there a way for us to have more energy?
With the pressures of everyday life, most people tell us that they are running on empty. And if they could have one wish, well, it would be to win the lottery. But if they could have two wishes, they would want more energy.
CompleteBalance.com is a community designed to give you access to an unlimited source of energy. Where is it, you ask? It's inside of you, and all you need are the tools to access it.
So first we have the Energizer, 9 habits to energize your body from the inside out. The habits are so easy that everyone can do them, no matter what your age is. And the beauty is when you implement them into your life in a specific and consistent manner, it will put you in the top 5% of healthy people in our country.
We teach balance, complete balance. That's why our program has habits in each of the main pillars of physical health: exercise, nutrition, and stress management. And the best part is that all 9 energizing habits can be done in less than 15 minutes a day.
So if you want more energy, if you want to feel less stress, if you want to lose a little bit of weight and just improve your overall health, this program is for you.
Thank you and welcome to CompleteBalance.com. It's not just a website, it's a way of life.